But first, a new law to protect the public from a silent killer. But hundreds of businesses in our area are not ready. Good evening. Thank you for joining us tonight. A rule change for restaurants and other businesses in New York. Carbon monoxide detectors are now mandatory. The state law comes after a deadly leak killed a man and made dozens of other people sick at a Long Island mall in 2014. As CBS 2's Carolyn Gusoff reports, this new measure aims to save others from this poisonous gas.
A visit from the fire marshal could soon bring hefty fines for businesses across New York State that don't have one of these. A carbon monoxide detector. It's now the law. In fact, it's been the law for a year, but businesses were given a grace period to comply. That time is up.
There definitely are businesses out there that haven't complied yet, for sure. We don't know whether it was something they weren't notified about or they didn't realize.
Local fire marshals guiding business owners through a sometimes pricey installation. Big businesses like this one need a hardwired system.
The existing fire alarm system now has carbon monoxide detection connected to it.
The Babylon Town Fire Marshal explains detectors in this large store are required at every heating vent.
Because that's our source of carbon monoxide, is the heating system.
There was no carbon monoxide detector at Legal Seafoods in Huntington when the deadly odorless gas claimed the life of restaurant manager Stephen Nelson. The new law is named for him. At the Comac Fire Department now, a flurry of 11th hour inquiries from many confused by the 16-page law. Small businesses need only have a plug-in detector with a 10-year battery, but that's news at this salon.
Nobody told us, and I didn't know about the new law, the carbon monoxide. I will put it tomorrow. I will have carbon monoxide.
The need for detectors demonstrated yet again last week at this West Babylon supermarket. A worker felt ill, and when EMTs arrived, they measured high levels of carbon monoxide. Turns out an oven flue was blocked. The food store now installing a hardwired system. Businesses that don't comply face fines up to $1,000 each day. In Suffolk County, Carolyn Gusoff, CBS 2 News.
We're learning more